In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the HubSpot platform to create a landing page using predefined templates. Whether you're setting up a landing page for events, products, downloads, meetings, or subscriptions, the process is intuitive and streamlined. Let's dive into it. Start by navigating to the user guide section of HubSpot. Once you're there, you should focus on the left side of the screen where you'll see various options. One of these will be labeled Content. Go ahead and click on Content. This will be your main hub for accessing various tools and features related to building and managing your website's pages. Next, locate and click on Landing Pages. This is where you'll manage your existing landing pages and start new ones. By clicking here, you'll open up a dashboard filled with options and settings specifically for landing pages. Once inside the landing pages dashboard, look for the Create button. Clicking this will initiate the landing page creation process. You'll be directed to a new screen where you can choose from a variety of templates that serve different purposes. Here's where things get exciting because you'll find a selection of landing page templates tailored to your needs. You'll want to click on All Landing Page Templates to see every available option, giving you a versatile range to choose from based on the specific category you're working on. Each category serves a different function, so be sure to explore them to find what fits your project best. If you're working on an event page, for example, you should click on Event. This template will be optimized for promoting and managing event-related content. Switch things up by opting for products or services when your goal is to highlight specific offerings to your audience. The template here is structured to make your products or services stand out effectively. For those looking to distribute downloadable content, simply click on Download. This template will guide you through presenting and managing downloadable files for your audience, making it easy for them to access and engage with your content. Those aiming to manage meetings will want to select the Meeting template. Perfect for scheduling and organizing meetings, this template includes several built-in features that help streamline the process of coordinating with clients or team members. If the goal is to gather additional information from visitors, go ahead and click on Request Info. This template is designed to facilitate easy form submissions, collecting data seamlessly from users. Finally, for those who need a subscription-based template, click on Subscribe. This ensures that you have the necessary elements for people to sign up easily, whether for newsletters, updates, or exclusive content. And that's it. This comprehensive guide offers you the steps necessary to create robust and functional landing pages on the HubSpot platform using their diverse range of templates. Thanks for tuning in and happy page building!